Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the watch history on YouTube using your PC, and this is actually relatively easy. So if you don't want anything recorded or anything like that, go up to the three horizontal lines and select this, and then go on down to where it says History. Now you can see your watch history in here. If you want to just remove an individual song, just go to the X, and it'll get rid of that video. Now we have the options on here like clear all watch history, pause watch history, but we can go to manage all history and select this and it'll load a different page. Now it says saving your YouTube history. Select that. Then we have the option to turn off the YouTube history just right here. And I would go to include voice too. So if you are using like an Amazon Fire Stick or something, it usually just goes to YouTube. Include YouTube voice and audio activity. Include that. And then you can just go to turn off right here. And then all your history will not be recorded. So you should be good to go. So we can go back to YouTube now. And anything we watch will not show up under the history now. Otherwise, you can always try turning on the incognito mode. And that will just make your one session a private session. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.